up, here we go! As of today, it is now officially closed. You can no longer ride the ride. Goodbye, Splash Mountain. It's been good. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's a special day today because when you're watching this, Splash Mountain has officially, permanently been closed. I'm wearing a jacket, I'm wearing gloves. It's a pretty cold this morning at the Magickingdom. I checked a little bit ago, and the wait time is still only 5 minutes. We're here a little bit after rope drop, so I'm anticipating this line to be very, very long later today. But as of right now, it was shown 5 minutes before. We'll go check. We'll check the wait times and go on and ride the ride for the last time. So yes, they are closing Splash Mountain and transitioning it into Tiana's Bayou Adventure, which Disney has announced will open sometime in 2024. If I had to guess, it'll probably be end of summer or kind of like right before the holiday season in 2024. You can no longer ride the ride, so it's kind of sad, but it, in my opinion, did kind of need a refresh. Splash Mountain's behind me. It's still showing a 5-minute wait, so that is good. Can't believe I'm going on this ride when it's absolutely cold outside, but I'm doing it for you guys. So please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated to help support the our channel. I'll try to get as much footage of the ride, considering this is the last time that I'm ever going to ride it here at Walt Disney World and at Disneyland, because they're doing the exact same ride at Disneyland. So Splash Mountain, no more. I think I'm gonna have to put my hood back up for this ride, because like I said, it can't repeat it enough. It's cold. Winter gloves are on, and we'll see how this goes. I do have to say, I'm kind of thoroughly surprised that there's not a long line, even though it's cold. But you know, it's Splash Mountain will be no more here in a little bit. Once the video posts, it'll be permanently closed, and you can no longer ride it. It's almost like I have a lightning lane for this today. I'm just walking on. All right, we're getting ready to go on. So the hood's up, I'm ready. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, right. You can never get too many shots of the log flume coming down. Come on. Come on. You know, this always happens to me. Oh, here we go, here we go. And there was nobody on it.
With everyone being a little more attention, a little more, easy to go, a little more exciting, time to be alone. Stop jumping around and running with your legs. You sort of made a fool of yourself, man. You just stole my brand and it's nothing now. He's nothing at you.
We're going to the laughing place.
You're taking me, Brad Fox. Let me go. That's right.
Here comes the big drop. Hands up, here we go! Got a little bit wet. My hood flew off as we're going down the big drop, but all in all, not too bad, honestly. Not too bad. If any of you guys have ridden this before, you know this is like one of the worst parts because you tend to get more wet here than you do on the actual ride. So right now we are just in a log jam, waiting to get to the end of the ride, and then that's it.
Moving on now, it's where I'm born.
That was not as bad as I thought it was going to be, honestly. I'm pretty warm still, even though I'm bundled up. I don't know how good you guys can tell or not. I got a little bit wet on my jacket here. If I wasn't wearing a coat, I would probably be pretty cold right now. This did the trick. It did the trick. My hair's a little wet, but that's okay. All in all, for my very last time riding Splash Mountain, I could not have had a better experience, honestly. 5-minute wait. It's been good, Splash Mountain. I love water rides, so I'm absolutely looking forward to seeing how Tiana's Bayou adventure happens and riding that sometime in 2024 next year. It looks to be pretty good. You know Disney, it'll be themed very, very well. But until we have some more details on this, I will leave it at that. Thank you everybody for watching. I had an absolute blast riding this today. And make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new around here and give the video a thumbs up. But have a good day everybody. Goodbye Splash Mountain. And there's my family. Did you not want to go on Splash Mountain?
No.
Too cold.
Everyone was soaking wet coming down that hill.
Yeah,
It's
too cold.
way too cold.
Hi girls. Goodbye Splash Mountain. It's been good.